Today, we're gonna talk about network protocols and types of network protocols. Network protocols. A network protocol is an established set of rules that determine how data is transmitted between different devices in the same network. Essentially, it allows connected devices to communicate with each other regardless of any differences in their internal processes, structure, or design. Types of network protocols. There are many types of network protocols, but I've decided to use five network protocols, mainly Transfer Protocol (HTTP), File Transfer Protocol (FTP), Simple Mail Transfer Protocol (SMTP), Transmission Control Protocol (TCP), and lastly, Internet Protocol (IP). Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Hypertext Transfer Protocol (HTTP) is used to load web pages using hypertext links. HTTP is an application protocol designed to transfer information between networked devices and runs on top of other layers in network protocol stacks. File Transfer Protocol (FTP). File Transfer Protocol (FTP) is a standard network protocol used for the transfer of files from one host to another over a TCP. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol (SMTP). Simple Mail Transfer Protocol (SMTP) is a technical standard for transmitting electronic mail (email) over a network. Transmission Control Protocol (TCP). Transmission Control Protocol (TCP) is a communication standard that enables application programs and communicating devices to exchange messages over a network. Internet Protocol (IP). Internet Protocol (IP) is a protocol or set of rules for routing and addressing packets of data so they can travel across networks and arrive at the correct destination.